Hello friends, my name is Sanjay Sharma and I'm from Chandigarh, India. I am a proud owner of W211 Mercedes E240 2004, and this small part I'm going to show you here on the picture. Please look at it carefully. Is going to solve lot many problems we face related to start of the car. Most of the time you must have noticed that when we try to put the key into the ignition and we try to start the car, the engine just cranks and it does not start. So if you take the car to a workshop, to a mechanic, he simply will guide you to change the oil pump. Yeah, it's below the seat, the back seat of the car, and that would cost roughly 1,000 to $1,100 to change that part. But the problem is not there. The part, this one I've shown you, this is the crank sensor. It passes the current to the engine and it is placed right below there. It's not very tough to replace it. You have to go down the car, below the car, and you have to replace it. And trust me, this $40 item is going to resolve all your problems related to starting of the car. I've tried it myself, and I was lucky to find someone who could tell me this, who could guide me on this, and I changed it, and after that I'm not facing a single problem of starting of this car. It's a beautiful car. All you need is a beautiful person, a beautiful soul, a nice mechanic to guide you right. Thanks for watching.